Hello friends, now we will start new chapter, Indefinite Integration. This chapter is for 10 marks in board examination. Now, what we are learning in this chapter? First, definition and properties, different techniques of indefinite integrations and what are they? Integration by methods of substitution first, second, integration by parts, and the last by partial fraction, integration by partial fraction. Now let us start. Introduction. In differential calculus we studied differentiation or derivatives of some functions. We saw that derivatives are used for finding the slopes of tangents, maximum or minimum values of the function. Now we will try to find the function whose derivatives is known or given f of x. We will find g of x such that g dash of x is equals to f of x. Okay. Here the integration of f of x with respect to x is g of x, or g of x is called primitive of f of x. For example, we know that the derivative of x cube with respect to x is derivative of x cube with respect to x is 3x square. So ddx of x cube is equals to 3x square and integral of 3x square with respect to x is x cube. This is shown with the sign of integration, namely, okay, we write integral of 3x square into dx is equals to x cube. Integral of f of x dx is equals to g of x. Read as integral of f of x with respect to x is g of x. Since the derivative of constant function with respect to x is 0, okay, we can also write integral of f of x dx is equals to g of x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. C can take infinitely many values. Okay. Now, elementary integration formulas. This is very important. We know that derivative of x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n, that is, I will write here, ddx of x raised to n is equals to n into x raised to n minus 1. Now, what about the integration? Integral of x raised to n into dx with respect to x, that is a x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is the integral of x raised to n. Similarly here, ddx of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 is equals to n plus 1 into x raised to n plus 1 upon this n plus 1 as it is, where n is not equals to minus 1, and hence here integral of x raised to n into dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. It means that suppose if I want to find out integral of x raised to 5, okay, integral of x raised to 5 into dx, and that is equals to x raised to 5 plus 1, okay, x raised to 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 plus c, means what? X raised to 6 upon 6 plus c. This is the integral of x raised to 5. Okay. Now next, integral of here ax plus b bracket raised to n into dx is ax plus b bracket raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into 1 upon derivative of ax plus b. What is the derivative of ax plus b? Derivative of b is 0 and ax is a plus c. Okay. Now next, second one. We know derivative of a raised to x. What is the derivative of a raised to x? That is, if I write here ddx of a raised to x is similar to here 5 raised to x. ddx of 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x into log of 5. But what about the integral of 5 raised to x? Integral of 5 raised to x is equals to 5 raised to x upon a log of 5 plus c. Similarly here, ddx of a raised to x upon a log of a is equals to a raised to x. And if you find out integral of a raised to x, then you will get here integral of a raised to x is a raised to x upon log of a plus c. Next again, this is very easy. ddx of e raised to x is equals to e raised to x. It implies that integral of e raised to x into dx is equals to e raised to x plus c. Okay, next, integral of e raised to ax plus b into dx is equals to e raised to ax plus b into 1 upon derivative of ax plus b or coefficient of x, which is a plus c. Next, ddx of sin x. Sinचा derivative काय? तर cos. म्हणून cos चा integral the sin. Okay. ddx of sin of x is equals to cos of x. It implies that integral of cos of x is equals to sin of x plus c. It means that integration is the antiderivative process. Next, integral of cos of ax plus b into dx is equals to sin of ax plus b into 1 upon coefficient of x, okay, plus c. Next, ddx of cos x is equals to minus sin and hence integral of sin of x. आता इथे मायनस साइन नाही घेतलेले म्हणून हे मायनस साइन या बाजूला ते ट्रान्सफर चाललंय. ओके, देअरफॉर इंटिग्रल ऑफ sin of x into dx is equals to minus cos of x plus c. Now next, integral of sin of ax plus b into dx is equals to minus cos of ax plus b into 1 upon derivative of ax plus b, which is a plus c. Next, ddx of tan of x is equals to sec square x. It implies that integral of sec square x into dx is equals to tan of x plus c. Next, integral of sec square in bracket ax plus b dx is equals to tan of ax plus b into 1 upon coefficient of x, which is a plus c. Okay. Now next, ddx of sec x. Sec x a derivative काय? The sec x into tan x. It implies that integral of sec x into tan x into dx is equals to sec x plus c. Now next, integral of sec x plus b into tan of ax plus b into dx is equals to 1 upon a sec of ax plus b plus c. Next formula, ddx of cosec x. We know the derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. It implies that integral of cosec x into cot x is equals to minus cosec x plus c. Now next, again integral of cosec ax plus b into cot of ax plus b into dx is equals to minus cosec ax plus b into 1 upon coefficient of x, which is a plus c. Now next, ddx of cot x is minus cosec square x. It implies that integral of cosec square x into dx is equals to minus cot of x plus c. Again, integral of cosec square in bracket ax plus b into dx is equals to minus cot of ax plus b into 1 upon coefficient of x, which is a plus c. Next, ddx of log of x. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की डेरिव्हेटिव्ह log of x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x for x is positive. It implies that integral of 1 upon x dx is equals to log of x plus c, where x is not equals to 0. Next, integral of 1 upon ax plus b dx is equals to log of ax plus b into 1 upon derivative of ax plus b or coefficient of x, which is a plus c. We assume that the trigonometric functions and logarithmic functions are defined on the respective domains. Now, short example here. First example, evaluate the following. Okay, first, integral of x cube plus 3 raised to x dx. Now, first is algebraic function. Now, here the integral of x cube is equals to x raised to 4 upon 4 and integral of 3 raised to x dx is equals to, that is a 3 raised to x upon log of a by using this formula. What is that formula? Integral of a raised to x dx is equals to a raised to x upon log of a. And similarly here, the integral of x cube is x raised to 4 upon 4 plus 3 raised to x upon log of 3 plus c. Now next, integral of sin x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon cubic root of x. Now first, integral of sin of x dx, integral of 1 upon x dx plus integral of 1 upon cubic root of x dx. Now separate it. Integral of sin of x is minus cos of x. Next, integral of 1 upon x. What is the derivative of log of x? Is 1 upon x, and hence integral of 1 upon x is log of x. Next, cubic root of, that is 1 upon cubic root of x means what? X raised to 1 upon x raised to 1 by 3. This numerator lambda are x raised to minus 1 by 3, and hence its integral is a x raised to minus 1 by 3 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay, and it can be written as minus cos of x plus log of x plus, if we simplify this, then you will get here x raised to 2 by 3 upon 2 by 3 plus c. Now next example, integral of tan of x plus cot of x bracket square dx is equals to. Now expand this, that is a plus b bracket square अनुसार. First term square means what? Tan square x, middle term is a 2 into tan of x into cot x plus last term, that is a cot of x, it's a bracket square or cot square x bracket complete into dx. Now next, integral of tan square x, okay, plus 2 plus cot square x, that is here 2 into tan of x into cot of x, that get cancelled, दोनों एकमेकांचे reciprocals आहेत. Therefore tan square x plus 2 plus cot square x dx. Okay, now again this tan square x can be written as, by using the trigonometry identity, sec square x minus 1 plus 2. Next, cot square x can be written as cosec square x minus 1 bracket complete into dx. Now here minus 1 plus 2 and again minus 1, that get cancelled, and finally you will get here sec square x plus cosec square x. Now integral of sec square x dx plus integral of cosec square x dx is equals to, integral of sec square x is tan of x and integral of cosec square x is a minus cot x plus c, and this is answer. Okay, now next example, fourth one, integral of root x plus 1 upon x plus root x. Okay, now from the denominator we will take here ha x म्हणजे काय, the root x into root x. Okay, therefore if we take root x common from the denominator, then to the denominator you will get here root x in bracket root x plus 1. Okay, x means what? Root x into root x. If we take root x common, then you will get here root x in bracket root x plus 1. Okay, now here to the numerator we have root x plus 1 and the denominator we have root x plus 1. These two terms get cancelled, and then you will get here 1 upon root x into dx. Now this 1 upon root x, here we are adjusting 2, and hence here the integral of 1 upon 2 root x is a root x, because we know derivative of root x. Okay, see this here, d dx of here root x is equals to 1 upon 2 root x, and hence integral of 1 upon 2 root x is a root x. Okay, and hence the answer is 2 root x plus c. Now next, integral of e raised to 4 log of x minus e raised to 5 log of x upon x raised to 5 dx. Okay. Now see this here. This can be written as e raised to log of x raised to 4. Okay. A log of x raised to 4 minus e raised to log of x raised to 5. Here we are using formula for log, that m times log of n is equals to log of n raised to m. By using this formula, here e raised to 4 log of x can be written as e raised to log of x raised to 4. Next, e raised to 5 log of x is written as log of e raised to log of x raised to 5. Again, by using the formula, that is a raised to log of f of x to the base a is written as f of x. And similarly here, e raised to log of x raised to 4. मग याचा बेस काय तर e आहे. Therefore, the value of this whole is a x raised to 4. Similarly, by using this formula, again here base is e. Therefore, the value of this whole is a x raised to 5. This whole divided by x raised to 5. तो नंतर split up करना, that is a x raised to 4 upon x raised to 5. Then you will get here 1 upon x. X raised to 5 upon x raised to 5, you will get here 1. Now integral of 1 upon x. What is the derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Therefore, integral of 1 upon x is the log of x, and integral of 1 is x. See this here, log of x minus x plus c, and hence this is the answer. Next, integral of 2x plus 3 upon 5x minus 1 into dx. Now see this here. Here numerator is 2x plus 3, denominator is 5x minus 1. Therefore, numerator upon denominator can be written as quotient plus remainder upon denominator. Okay. Now we will divide 2x plus 3 by 5x minus 1. हे नॉर्मल डिव्हिजन आहे जे तुम्ही यापूर्वी लर्न केलेलं आहे. तर इथे फर्स्ट टर्म काय तर ते 2x आहे. इथे आपल्याला 2x मिळवण्यासाठी या 5x ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार, that we will multiply here 2 by 5. If we multiply 2 by 5 to this 5x, then you will get here 2x. Again 2 by 5 minus 1, you will get here minus 2 by 5. तर डिव्हिजन करताना आपण साइन चेंज करतो. इथे प्लस आहे तर मायनस केलं, मायनस आहे प्लस केलं. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancel. 3 plus 2 by 5. Then you will get here 3 plus 2 by 5 means what? 17 by 5. 17 by 5. This is remainder. Now again. Now numerator can be written as, that is a 2x plus 3 can be written as in terms of denominator. That is a 2x plus 3 is equals to 2 by 5 in bracket 5x minus 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 3 means what? 17 by 5. Okay. Therefore, our integral I is equals to integral. हा numerator आपण इथे लिहिलेला आहे. That is a 2 by 5. If I write it like this, see this here. I is equals to integral. What is the numerator? Numerator is a 2 by 5 in bracket 5x minus 1 plus 17 upon 5, and this whole divided by 5x minus 1 bracket complete into dx. आता हे split up करना, that is a 2 by 5 into 5x minus 1 divided by 5x minus 1. 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1 get cancelled. You will get here 2 by 5 plus 17 by 5 upon 2x minus 1. Okay. And therefore, integral of 2 by 5 is a 2 by 5x, and the integral of 17 upon 5, this whole divided by 5x minus 1 is 17 by 5 into log of 5x minus 1 into coefficient of this x, which is 5. That is 1 upon coefficient of x, that is 1 by 5 plus c. Okay. Now next, that is a 2 by 5x plus 17 upon this 5 into 5, that will become 25. 17 upon 25 log of 5x minus 1 plus c. Okay. Now next, integral of 1 upon in root of 3x plus 1 minus in root of 3x minus 5 into dx. Now here we rationalize denominator, that is multiplied n and d by the conjugate of this term, that is in root of 3x plus 1 plus in root of 3x minus 5 upon in root of 3x plus 1 plus in root of 3x minus 5. Okay. Now here 1 into in root of 3x plus 1 plus in root of 3x minus 5. Okay. Next, this is a minus b into a plus b. Then you will get here 3x plus 1 minus in bracket 3x minus 5. That minus and minus will become plus, and hence here is a plus 5. Here plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Then you will get here root of 3x plus 1 plus a root of 3x minus 5 upon 6 dx. Next, take 1 by 6 before this integral sign. Then you will get here 1 by 6 into integral of in root of 3x plus 1 means what? 3x plus 1 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 3x minus 5 raised to 1 upon 2 bracket complete into dx. Now integrate this. Okay, and this is the integration. See this here, 3x plus 1 by 6. The integral of 3x plus 1 raised to 1 upon 2 is 3x plus 1 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 into coefficient of this x, which is 3, plus similarly integral of this is 3x minus 5 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1 into coefficient of this x is 3, bracket complete, plus c. Next, after 1 by 2 plus 1, it will become 3 by 2. Okay. And then multiplied and reciprocal. Here you will get here 2 by 3. Okay. In bracket 3x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2. But here is a 1 upon 18. Means what? 6 into 3. You will get here. Take 1 by 3 as a common. Then here you will get here 1 upon 18. In bracket 2 by 3 into in bracket 3x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 plus again here 2 by 3 into in bracket 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 curly bracket complete plus c. Okay. Now next, again take here the simplification is that take 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is common, 1 upon 18 into 2 by 3, then finally here you will get 1 upon 27 in curly bracket 3x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 plus 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Now next, integral of 2x minus 7 upon in root of 3x minus 2 dx. Now here express numerator 3x minus 7 in terms of 3x minus 2. Okay. Now here 2x minus 7 is written as in terms of denominator, that is 2 by 3 in bracket 3x minus 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 7, and it's nothing but 2 by 3 in bracket 3x minus 2. If you simplify this 4 by 3 minus 7, then you will get here minus 17 upon 3. This you will learn integration by partial fraction till I will write here. What is here? This is the numerator. Okay. 2x minus 7. We'll write here numerator in terms of denominator. How we can write here? That is 2x minus 7 is equals to in bracket denominator, which is 3x minus 2 plus b. Okay. Next simplification here 2x minus 7 is equals to a into 3x. Then here you will get here 3ax. Next, a into minus 2, you will get here minus 2a plus b. Now compare the coefficient of x. First of all, here coefficient of x is 2. Here the coefficient of x is 3a. Therefore, you will get here 2 is equals to 3a, and hence value of a is equals to 2 upon 3. Therefore, here we substitute, that is a 2 by 3. Therefore, first is 2x minus 7 is equals to 2 by 3 in bracket 3x minus 2. Next, value of b. What would be the value of b? That is, these are the constant. minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 7. I will write here minus 2a plus b is equals to minus 7. Substitute the value of a, that is a minus 2 into 2 upon 3 plus b is equals to minus 7. Here 2 into 2 you will get here minus 4 upon 3 plus b is equals to minus 7, and hence you will get here b is equals to minus 7 plus 4 upon 3. 3 into minus 7 you will get here minus 21, minus 21 plus 4, minus 21 plus 4. Next you will get here minus 17 upon 3, and this is minus 17 upon 3. That is, here we substitute the value of b minus 17 upon 3, and in this way we have expressed numerator in terms of denominator, that is a 2 by 3 in bracket 3x minus 2 plus or minus 17 upon 3, that is a plus in bracket minus 17 by 3 or minus 17 by 3. This is okay. Now next, see this here, I is equals to integral here 2 by 3 in bracket 3x minus 2 minus 17 upon in root of 3x minus 2 bracket complete into dx. Now split up this, that is a 2 by 3 in bracket 3x minus 2 upon in root of 3x minus 2 minus 17 by 3 upon in root of 3x minus 2, and here after simplification, here power is 1, here is 1 upon 2, therefore 1 minus 1 upon 2 you will get here 2 by 3 integral of in root of 3x minus 2 dx minus 17 by 3 integral of 1 upon in root of 3x minus 2 dx. Okay. Now again I will repeat here this. Now their integration. This is integral of the form, that is integral of ax plus b bracket is to n. Means what? 3x minus 2 1 upon 2 plus 1, that is a 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 into coefficient of x, which is 3, that is 1 upon coefficient of x, that is a 3, minus 17 upon 3 integral of 1 upon a root x, and that is nothing but 2 times root x into 1 by 3 plus c. Therefore next simplification is a 4 upon 27 into 3x minus 2 raised to 3 by 2 minus 34 upon 9 into in bracket 3x minus 2 raised to 1 upon 2 plus c. Now ninth example, x cube upon x minus 1 dx. Solution is a I is equals to integral x cube minus 1 plus 1. Here we are adjusting plus 1 and minus 1. Therefore split up now. Integral of x cube minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1 bracket complete into dx. Now here the factors of x cube minus 1 in first bracket x minus 1 into second bracket x square plus x plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1. Here x minus 1 get cancelled. You will get here integral of x square plus x plus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now integral of x square is a x cube upon 3, integral of x is x square upon 2, and integral of 1 is x. Integral of 1 upon x minus 1 is the log of x minus 1 plus c. Example number 10. See this here. Integral of 3 raised to x minus 4 raised to x upon 5 raised to x dx. Okay. Therefore I is equals to integral. Split up this. Means what? Integral 3 raised to x upon 5 raised to x minus 4 raised to x upon 5 raised to x dx. Next, 3 by 5 whole bracket raised to x minus 4 by 5 whole bracket raised to x into dx. Now here the integral is of the form a raised to x. Integral of a raised to x is a raised to x upon log of a minus, again integral of this is the same form, that is a raised to x upon log of a. Means what here? 3 by 5 bracket raised to x upon log of 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5 whole bracket raised to x upon log of 4 by 5 plus c. Now next, integral of cos cube x dx. Now what is the formula? Cos of 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos of a. Therefore, cos cube a is equals to 1 by 4 in bracket cos of 3a plus 3 cos a. Now see this here. I is equals to integral 1 by 4 cos of 3x plus 3 cos x bracket complete into dx. Integral of cos of 3x is a sine of 3x into 1 by 3 plus integral of cos of x is a sine of x. Okay. Next simplification, 1 by 4 into sine of 3x into 1 by 3, then you will get here 1 upon 12 sine of 3x plus. Next 1 by 4 into 3 sine x means what? 3 by 4 sine x plus c. Now next, integral of in root of 1 plus sine of 3x dx. Okay. Now here I is equals to integral in root of. This 1 can be written as, first of all, this sine of 3x can be written as 2 sine of 3x upon 2 into cos of 3x upon 2 by using formula. What is that? Sine of 2 times theta. See this here. Or sine theta is equals to 2 sine theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. Okay. By using this formula, this sine of 3x can be written as 2 sine of 3x upon 2 into cos of 3x upon 2. Okay. Now this 1 can be written as, that is a cos square 3x upon 2 plus sine square 3x upon 2. So that we will get here perfect square. Okay. That is a in root of cos of 3x upon 2 plus sine of 3x upon 2 whole bracket square. Now whole bracket square and root sign get cancelled, and next step you will get here integral of cos of 3x upon 2 plus sine of 3x upon 2 dx. Now what is the integral of cos of 3x upon 2? That is the sine of 3x upon 2 into 1 upon 3x upon 2, and the integral of sine of 3x upon 2 is a minus cos of 3x upon 2 into 1 upon 3 by 2 plus c. And next simplification is a, that is 1 upon 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 3 multiplied and reciprocal. Take 2 by 3 as a common, and in bracket you will get here sine of 3x upon 2 minus cos of 3x upon 2 plus c. Now next example, integral of sine of x raised to 4 dx. Now sine of x raised to 4 can be written as integral of sine square x and whole bracket square. Okay. Now next, value of sine square. What is the value of sine square? That is there is again one more formula. See that formula. Sine square theta is equals to 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 minus cos of 2 times theta. By using this formula, the sine square can be written as 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 minus cos of 2x whole square. Now expand this 1 upon 2 whole square, that is 1 upon 2 into 1 minus cos of 2x whole square. First of all, the square of 1 upon 2 is 1 by 4. Integral in bracket square of 1 minus cos of 2x is 1 minus 2 cos of 2x plus cos square 2x. Okay, take 1 by 4. Again here, integral of 1 minus cos of 2x. Again the value of cos square 2x. The value of cos square 2x is here. It's again formula cos square theta. Formula for cos square theta is equals to 1 upon 2 in bracket 1 plus cos of 2 times theta. Note this step here, minus sign, and here is the plus sign. Okay. Therefore, cos square 2x means what? Again 1 upon 2, 1 plus cos of 4x bracket complete into dx. Now can find out integral of all these terms. That is 1 by 4 integral of, first is 1 minus 2 cos of 2x 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 cos of 4x bracket complete into dx. Next, okay, 1 by 4 Next simplification, 1 plus 1 upon 2, you will get here 3 by 2, minus 2 cos of 2x, plus 1 by 4 cos of 4x, bracket complete into dx. Integral of 3 by 2 is a 3 by 2x, integral of cos of 2x is a sine of 2x into 1 upon coefficient of x, which is 2, that is into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Integral of cos of 4x is a sine of 4x into 1 upon coefficient of x, which is 4. Okay. Therefore, into 1 by 4, bracket complete, plus c. Now, next simplification, 1 by 4 in bracket 3 by 2x. Again, here these 2 get cancelled. You will get here minus sine of 2x. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, you will get here 1 by 8 sine of 4x, bracket complete, plus c. And this is the answer. Now next, integral of sine of 5x into cos of 7x dx. Now solution. We know that 2 times sine x into cos x is equals to sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. And similarly here, we will adjust here 2. That is multiplied and divided by 2. Means what here? 1 upon 2 integral of 2 sine of 5x into cos of 7x dx. Okay. Now next 1 upon 2 here sine of 5x plus 7x plus sine of 5x minus 7x dx. That is 1 upon 2 integral of sine of 5x plus 7x, you will get here sine of 12x plus sine of 5x minus 7x means what? Sine of minus 2x dx. Next 1 upon 2 integral of sine of 12x. What about the sine of minus theta? We know formula, that is the sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. And hence here sine of minus 2x is a minus sine of 2x. Okay. Therefore 1 upon 2. Integral of sine of 12x is a minus cos of 12x into 1 upon 12, that is the coefficient of x, plus integral of sine of 2x is the minus cos of 2x, that minus and minus will become plus into 1 upon coefficient of x, bracket complete, plus c. Okay. Now next 15th, integral of sine cube x minus cos cube x upon sine square x into cos square x dx. Now split up this, that is the I is equals to integral sine cube x upon sine square x into cos square x minus cos cube x upon sine square x into cos square x. That is the integral. Here square get cancelled, you will get here sine x upon cos square x minus, again here cos square get cancelled. To the numerator you will get here cos of x and denominator sine square x. Next, split up this like this, that is a sine of x upon cos of x into 1 upon cos of x minus 1 upon sine x into cos of x upon sine x. Then in bracket you will get here sec x into tan x minus cosec x into cot x. Now what is the integral of sec x into tan x is a sec x, and integral of sec x into cot x is minus cosec x plus c. And next simplification, you will get here sec x minus minus will become plus, that is a cosec x plus c, and hence answer is a I is equals to sec x plus cosec x plus c. Now next, integral of 1 upon 1 minus sin x dx. Now multiplied numerator and the denominator by conjugate of 1 minus sin x, which is 1 plus sin x. Then you will get here 1 into 1 plus sin x, and to the numerator 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x means what? Cos square x. Then split up it, that is 1 upon cos square x plus sin x upon cos square x. Next you will get here 1 upon cos square x means what? Sec square x plus sin x upon cos x. Then you will get here tan x, and 1 upon cos x means here you will get here sec x. Now integral of sec square is a tan x, and integral of sec x into tan x is a sec x plus c. Okay. Now next, integral of cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Again multiplied numerator and denominator by conjugate of 1 minus cos x, which is 1 plus cos x. Then here you will get here cos x in bracket 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x means what? You will get here sin square x. Next simplification, cos x into 1 cos x into cos x, cos square x upon sin square x. Split up this. integral of cos x upon sin square x. You will get here cos x upon sin x. You will get here cot x, and 1 upon sin x means what? Cosec x. Next, cos square x upon sin square x. You will get here cot square x. Okay. And here we cannot find the integral of cot square x directly. Therefore, we will use here identity. What's the cot square x? Cosec square x minus 1 bracket complete into dx. Now integral of cosec x into cot x is a minus cosec x and plus. What about the integral of cosec square x minus cot x, and integral of 1 is a x, that is a minus x plus c, and next minus cosec x minus cot x minus x plus c. This is the answer. Now next activity, question number 18. Integral of cos x minus cos of 2x upon 1 minus cos x. Okay. Now here in this solution, integral of cos x minus cos of 2x upon 1 minus cos x. Now next, here we'll substitute formula for the cos of 2x. What is that formula? It's a cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, yeah. Cos of 2x means what? Cos square x minus sin square x. If we split up this, then you will get here integral of cos x minus cos square x plus sin square x, and this whole divided by 1 minus cos x bracket complete into dx. Okay. Now next, take cos of x common from this. Then you will get here, see this here, next step. That is I will write here answer of all this. That is equals to integral. If I take cos of x common, then I will get here 1 minus cos of x. And what about the sin square x? Sin square x means what? In bracket 1 minus cos square x, and this whole divided by 1 minus cos x bracket complete into dx. Okay. And to the next step, here split up this, that is the cos x into 1 minus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. You will get here only cos x. Next, here 1 minus cos square x, it can be written as in bracket 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x, and this whole divided by 1 minus cos x. Okay. Now again 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x get cancelled. Then you will get here integral of in bracket cos x plus 1 plus here cos x whole bracket complete into dx, and here is also dx. Now next, here 1 plus cos x, you will get here integral of, first I will write here constant 1 cos x plus cos x, that is a 2 times cos x bracket complete into dx. Integral of 1 is x, integral of cos x is sin x, that is 2 sin of x plus c, and this is answer, that is x plus 2 sin x plus c. Now next, see this here, you can complete this activity. And finally, you will get here the answer x plus 2 sin x plus c. Now next question. Integral of sine inverse of cos of 3x dx. Now see this here. Integral of sine inverse of this cos of 3x can be written as by using the formula. What is that formula? That is a cos theta is equals to sine of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. And therefore, this cos of 3x is written as sine of pi by 2 minus 3x. Sine inverse of sine of pi by 2 minus 3x. Again, we know the one more result, that is sine inverse of sine of theta is equals to theta. And hence here pi by 2 minus 3x dx. Now integral of pi by 2, which is constant, therefore pi by 2 into x, and integral of x is x square upon 2. Therefore here 3 x square upon 2 plus c. Okay. Next, integral of tan inverse of in bracket sine of 2x upon 1 plus cos of 2x. Now this can be written as I is equals to integral cot inverse of in bracket 1 plus cos of 2x upon sine of 2x by using this formula. What is that formula? Tan inverse of 1 upon x is equals to cot inverse of x. Okay. Therefore, I is equals to integral cot inverse of 1 plus cos of 2x upon sine of 2x bracket complete into dx. Next, again formula 1 plus cos of 2x means what? 2 cos square 2x upon 2. There is one more formula, 1 plus cos of a is equals to 2 cos square a by 2. Okay. And next, sine of 2 times theta, that is equals to 2 sine theta into cos of theta. Okay. And therefore, cot inverse of 2 times 1 plus cos of 2x means what? 2 cos square 2x upon 2. That 2 get cancelled. You will get here 2 cos square x, and sine of 2x means what? 2 sin x into cos x. Again, 2 get cancelled. Next, 1 cos will get cancelled. You will get here in bracket cot of x. Cot inverse of cot of x, that is x. Okay. And therefore, its integral is a x square upon 2 plus c. Now next, integral of tan inverse of in root of 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Now this sin of x can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus x. And next, sin of x can be written as again pi by 2 minus x. Okay, same thing is here. Now again one more formula. What is the 1 minus cos of a? 1 minus cos of a is equals to 2 sine square a by 2, and 1 plus cos of a is equals to 2 cos square a by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. You will get here sin square x upon cos square x. Okay. And that is nothing but tan square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 is nothing but, therefore, here you will get here integral of in bracket pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Pi by 4 into x minus 1 upon 2 into integral of x is x square upon 2 plus c. And hence finally you will get here pi by 4 into x minus x square by 4 plus c. And this is answer. Okay. And in this way we have completed all introduction part of exercise 3.1. Now in my next video we'll start the exercise 3.1. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.